Today's Ask Aunt Laura tip revolves around our disposable razors, and we all know how frustrating it can be after just a few weeks. They don't shave the way they did when you first took them out of the package, and then you've got to throw them away and buy new ones, and it gets expensive. So grab those razors and a cup of warm soapy water and an old pair of blue jeans, and I'm going to show you a method called stropping. And stropping is a way to sharpen and polish those blades so that these guys will last you for months and months and months and months. Soak your razors in some hot soapy water for about 15 minutes and get them nice and clean. Rinse them off, pat them dry, and we're ready to go. Now that my razor blade is all clean and dry, I'm going to lay out my jeans on a nice hard surface. And then I'm going to take this razor and push it in the direction of the grain of the fabric, not crosswise, but with the fabric grain. And I'm going to push this about 10 or 15 times in this one direction. And when I'm done with that, I'm going to switch hands and do the exact same thing in the other direction. And I don't want to push too hard, and I don't want to be too gentle either. I want a nice even pressure on this disposable razor blades so that we can polish all those blades equally. And when you're done, give it a good rinse, dry it off, and you're ready to go. Next time you notice your blades are getting a little bit dull, just pull out the jeans and do this stropping method again.